Google just exposed the iPhone 15 series. What a way to kick off the iPhone month with some good old roasting. Google has been following Samsung's footstep and going absolute hard on Apple when it comes to roasting, mocking, trolling, and now exposing Apple's biggest change on the iPhone 15 series, which is of course the USB-C edition. In case you don't know, because of the pressure from European Union, Apple is finally doing the right thing for the consumer and the environment, putting an end to the outdated USB Lightning port for a fast USB-C charging port. This may be a new thing for Apple fans, but for everyone else, it's just been the standard for quite some time. Which is why Google is back with a new roasting session targeting the iPhone 15 series directly.
This is nice. A spa day was the perfect idea. With all these big launch events coming up, these launches just keep getting harder. I mean, you know what got applause at my first launch 16 years ago?
Sliding to unlock?
Sliding to unlock. Now, it seems like every time I turn around, phones like you are doing stuff I can't. Like unblurring old photos, answering unknown calls with AI, and live translating messages. It's exhausting. But I've still got a few tricks up my sleeve.
Like what?
You'll be USB-C'ing soon.
You're finally getting USB-C charging?
What? How did you know?
Lucky guess?
Okay, quick thoughts. Google is once again highlighting the features that we don't see on the iPhone, such as unblurring the photos or answering unknown calls using AI, all that cool stuff that is exclusive to the Pixel phones. And then of course followed by making fun of Apple's USB-C edition on the iPhone 15 series, which again, it is definitely outdated. Even the fast charging we're getting, which is rumored to be 35 watts, it is quite a bit less compared to what we have seen on Android phones, which goes even up to 240 watts. I would rate this roast as 7.5 out of 10, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Now coming back to some iPhone 15 leaks, it seems like Apple might not call their best iPhone as the iPhone 15 Ultra. Instead, it could still be called as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This has been cleared by Mark Gurman, which has a great track record, but now the new iPhone 15 series are not the only product with USB-C port. Apple is also releasing new version of AirPods Pro with the USB-C port. Now for those who are interested in the iPhone 15 Pro Max model, there's still a big chance that it might actually get delayed in terms of the delivery, meaning we could see Apple's best iPhone coming out a bit later in October. So there we go, brands are now targeting the iPhone 15 series directly, and I can only imagine that Samsung is currently loading up their ammo. We're definitely going to see a lot of trolling from Samsung very soon. That's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.